Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in San Gimignano in Tuscany, a renowned hilltop town dominating the Val d'Elsa with its towers. Its origins are dating back to the Hellenistic period, between 200 and 300 before Christ, when it was the seat of a small Etruscan village. It was, however, only in the 10th century that it began its life as a town, making its name from the holy bishop of Modena, San Gimignano, who saved the village from the barbarian hordes. It is just outside San Gimignano, famous for its towers, that we find today's property, located on a wonderful position with its own vineyard and surrounding land. It is literally an oasis of tranquility. Let me walk you through it. Come with me. The property is embedded in these charming hills covered with vineyards and olive grove. In total, there are 13.9 hectares of land, with 5 hectares of vineyard, 6.5 hectares of woodland and 1.5 hectares of olive grove. This 14 by 7 meter swimming pool is located on a privileged position with a wonderful view and just a few steps from the main houses. The view is enchanting, enriched by these colorful vineyards and olive trees, and all of that is surrounded by this thick woodland that grants total privacy and silence. Before talking about the main house, let me mention and show you the guest house, which is right in front. It is very cute and it is laid on 2 levels, with the first level used for guests. It is about 50 square meters with its own living space and bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Whereas on the lower level we find this fully equipped wine cellar right behind me. It is about 130 square meters and it has everything you need to produce some top-notch Tuscan wine. The last building I would like to mention before I show you the indoors of the property is this 2-story barn right behind me. It is ideal to expand on the living spaces of the whole property, and it is about 100 square meters to be restored. The home immediately welcomes us with these warm, typical Tuscan spaces. They are rich of details and it has so many textures. Like, for example, the stone on this imposing fireplace that dominates the room. And right above we noticed these magnificent vaulted ceilings made of terracotta. And the terracotta can be found also on the floor that accompanies us on the whole house. As you can see, this is the main living area and it is on the ground floor where we can find most of the living spaces. Right beside, let me show you this beautiful dining area. It has some wonderful proportions with the terracotta ceilings as well, and this exposed wall on this side. Another thing I love about this room is the amount of natural lighting, which is given by these two huge doors and windows on both sides. Right beside the living area, we find this middle space with a washroom over here, and through this door we get to a storage area. All of this leads to this beautiful TV room with some wonderful proportions, high ceilings with vaulted arches, and the terracotta on the floor. And over there we also have a door with direct vineyard views, and of course you can also directly access to the external space. Last but not least, we have the kitchen space with this wonderful built-in kitchen with a rustic style marble top, terracotta floors and terracotta vaulted ceilings. This is the ideal place to practice your Italian cooking skills. The first floor is where we find 5 amazing bedrooms. Let's start with the first one on this side. The atmosphere is enchanting with these cozy lighting, the high ceilings with exposed beams, and the handmade terracotta on the floor. Last but not least, these gorgeous vineyard views out of the window. Of course, this room also has its own ensuite bathroom, very large and spacious, with its bathtub to relax in peace. Right in front, we find another charming bedroom divided into 2 parts. The first part is used as a little sitting area, and the second one, through this arch, gets to the bedroom area with its ensuite bathroom. To get to the next bedroom, we have this hallway, which then brings us on this side to the bedroom. It is laid very similarly to the second one we've seen, with a sitting area or office space over here. This arch that brings us to the bed. And in the end, we have the ensuite bathroom, very large and spacious, and have a look at these 2 beautiful sinks. Right in front of the staircase to get to the first floor, we have the 3rd bedroom, which starts right here through this door. And it starts with this entrance room with a wardrobe over here. Through this door, the bathroom with shower. Right beside we find the bedroom. Have a look at this travertino marble frame on the door. In this bedroom, you can notice how it is perfect for kids with these 2 beds. And of course, there is the wooden beams on the ceiling, terracotta floor, and I forgot to mention, every bedroom has its own air conditioner. Siamo ora giunti al termine del video di oggi. Spero che questa proprietà affascinante vi sia piaciuta e spero di vedervi presto qua in Toscana per mostrarvela personalmente. Vi ricordo infine di iscrivervi al nostro canale per nuovi contenuti tutti i mercoledì. Ci vediamo presto, ciao!